Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you Mercedes-Benz logo in Adobe Illustrator. First, take line segment tool and draw a line. Select the line and go to transform and make it 90 degrees. Now copy Ctrl C, paste the font Ctrl F. Now go to transform and make it 82 degree. Now copy the 82 degree line, click right button of mouse and select transform and click reflect and copy it. Okay, that's good. Now put the head of lines together like that. Select all and make a group. New copy the hold Ctrl C, paste the font Ctrl F. Now go to transform and make it 120 degree. Now copy the 120 degree lines. From that, click right button of the mouse and select transform and click reflect and copy it. Now select everything and make it middle, align center. Also take shape builder tool and delete the extra parts like that. Okay, that's fine. Now ellipse tool and draw a circle in this middle like that. Copy the circle, Ctrl C, paste the font Ctrl F. Now make it smaller. Again copy the circle, Ctrl C, paste the font Ctrl F and make it bigger like that. Okay, that's fine. Now take line segment tool and draw a line over here. Do it for remain two corner. Now select everything and turn off the stroke color. Also take the shape builder tool and draw like that. Okay, that's good. Now use color on this logo. Use color perfectly on this logo like that. Done, have a look.